Introducing the Samsung Galaxy Watch6 Classic in black, 47mm. It features a rotating bezel, LTE connectivity, and an IP68 rating. Monitor BP, ECG, track sleep, and health. Enjoy up to 40 hours of charge with fast charging and seamless integration with the Galaxy ecosystem. The Samsung Galaxy Watch6 Classic includes blood pressure and ECG measurement. It is available for $808 per month for 24 months with an HDFC Bank credit card EMI. You can purchase it for $16,499 with 68% savings from the MRP of $50,999. The Galaxy Watch6 Classic has a global rating of 4.1 stars from 1,096 ratings. 60% of customers gave it 5 stars. Over 300 units were bought in the past month. The watch features heart health tracking, advanced sleep tracking, and exercise tracking. It also offers seamless connectivity within the Galaxy ecosystem. Experience 18% faster CPU speed compared to the Watch 4 Classic. Benefit from all-day battery life and IP68 toughness. Key features include a rotating bezel and an expansive screen. The watch is protected by Sapphire Crystal glass and allows for easy swapping of bands. Workouts are designed by you, for you. Track your fitness with customized duration, distance, and pace metrics. Here is an overview of what's included with the Galaxy Watch6 Classic: the watch, one band, the charging cable, and documentation. It's time to upgrade to the Galaxy Watch6 Classic. Enjoy a 20% larger screen, enhanced processor, and a larger 425 mAh battery lasting up to 40 hours. The timeless design includes 30% slimmer bezels and one-click straps for easy swapping. Keep a watchful eye on your blood pressure right from your wrist with the Galaxy Watch6 Classic. Charge up in record time. With one full charge, the watch lasts up to 40 hours, offering all-day battery life. Fast charge to 45% in just 30 minutes. Get more processing power to do more with every minute. Experience up to 18% faster CPU speed with the Galaxy Watch6 Classic. Enjoy hands-on shooting, hands-free. Pair your watch with the Galaxy Z Fold 5 to capture moments easily. Control the camera, zoom, and shutter right from your wrist. Samsung Wallet is always on hand. Access Samsung Wallet from your Galaxy Watch6 Classic for payments, transit, membership cards, and to store digital IDs and keys. Wake up to our most advanced sleep tracking. Get detailed sleep tracking with sleep coaching to enhance your sleep quality. You can also get a good night's sleep by using the watch on sleep mode. Safety features that can be a real lifesaver. Fall detection sends an emergency SOS if you need help. You can also access medical info from the lock screen. Exercise tracking allows you to chart your growth to peak performance. Track over 90 different workouts and monitor your progress with auto detect for select activities like running and walking. Customers say the smartwatch is a premium device with solid build quality and great features. Feedback is mixed regarding battery life and connectivity, particularly with iPhones.